Wow, so many tattoo starter kits on Amazon, but which one's any good? Hey up guys, today I've just taken delivery of this little parcel from Amazon. This is a Dragonhawk starter tattoo kit. Not very expensive, under $100. So I'm gonna do some unboxing today and see what it's like. So let's see what we get. If I can get in it. So I haven't looked in this yet, obviously. So, it's quite nice. So it's quite nice, little, all comes together in a nice little package. I've got the wrap. Foot pedal. Kind of feels a little bit plastic, but it's all good. Power supply. It's very compact. Tiny power supply. It's kind of cute. 2 boxes of needles. Let's see what we've got. We have got 5 mags and 5 liners. These cartridges they're okay. They're decent quality. So this is the machine. It feels nice and heavy. So you've got a clip cord. Now I'm in the UK, so obviously this is a UK-based plug. If you bought this in the US or somewhere else, you'd have a cable for your country. Now, this feels really nice, feels nice and heavy. Don't know if you can see that. It's a good weight. I'm quite excited about this because I don't actually use a pen at the moment, so I wanted to just check this out to see if it's good quality, if it's a good starter kit, but also it'd be nice to have as a backup machine for me. So that feels great. That feels really, really solid. That's really nice. Apparently, these are old Dragonhawk stock that has been, not discontinued, but basically they've moved on to the new mast pen. So these are like the old guys that they're kind of selling off in the cheaper tattoo kits, cheap starter kits. So this is actually, quite a bargain, because you can get a decent pen for reasonable price. I mean, this other stuff is okay quality, but this is actually quite decent. I'm gonna do another video where I'm going to try this out, but that's really nice. Can adjust your needle length. It feels good in the hand, feels nice and solid. Yeah, I'm liking that. So I mean, obviously the proof of the pudding will be in actually trying it out, which I'll do in the next video. Give it a kind of a test run, but feels great. So you do have a lot of what you need to start practicing here. The only thing I would say is I really would recommend you get yourself some different needles to these, because basically, it's what, five liner. You are going to drive yourself mad trying to do a really decent line with that because it's so thin. Your line will be wheeling around all over the place. What I would recommend you get is maybe a 7 liner, maybe a 9 mag, and maybe a 9 round shader as well. And that's a pretty good, you can do most things with those when you're practicing. That's a really good, a 7 round liner is a really good liner to start with because it's not so fine as this that every kind of little tiny kink in your lining will show up. It's a little bit more forgiving. So yeah, get yourself a 7 liner, 9 mag and a 9 round shader, and then you set up for most practice. Obviously you need to buy some ink, yeah, your needles, get yourself some practice skin. If you don't want to buy practice skin, you can always use oranges, bananas, butternut squash. There's a wide range of fruit. Anything with the skin you can tattoo, not people, just fruit. You know, you can always try using, you know, pig skin is quite good, but it's a little bit, you know, unpleasant to work with. But, you know, start tattooing fruit, bananas, stuff like that. You want to get some gloves because you want to get into the habit of wearing gloves all the time, so that, you know, if you do eventually start tattooing people, it just feels right to be wearing gloves. Also, gloves let you grip things properly. If you're not wearing gloves, you just can't grip the machine, the practice skin. You know, so start from the beginning to wearing gloves. I would say, yeah, for the price, this is pretty good. It's, I think, yeah, $99, and I think it looks like a reasonable machine for that. I would say, yeah, I would say this is a good starting kit. And apparently, yeah, these are old stock, so I don't know how long they're going to be keeping doing this kit with this machine in. So it might be worth kind of getting hold of one before they do discontinue it. So I'll put a link to it on Amazon in the description below if you want to check it out. But yeah, quite impressed. So, spoiler alert, I actually couldn't wait, so I had to go and get a banana, try it out. It's great. It's really great. I'm shocked that this is like you know, $99. I think it's $125 in the UK, $99 in the US. It's a really nice machine. Banana's quite happy with that. I think what I'm going to do in my next video actually is run through how you set this up. So if you've never set up a tattoo machine before and you've just got all this stuff in a box, I'll just run through how you actually kind of put it all together. I'll show you how to set it all up, how to, you know, set your voltage and everything like that, and then you'll be all ready to go. So check out that video. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe, and I'll put the link below to where you can get hold of one of these. I'll just put that down in the comments. All right, thank you.